Okay, we got some more transfers in. Transfer samples. These are from SupaColor. So let's see what they got. Well, definitely make sure everything is packaged good. Sealed good anyway. I got some scissors here. Some scissors. I can rip it open. It says scissors. It says use scissors to open it, but that's okay. I got it. I got this. Alright, let's see what SupaColor sent me. Well, that's it. Alright. Wearable samples. Okay, we got SupaColor. Yes, we can now game with SupaColor. Introduce. I remember they wouldn't do game sheets. So I guess the market got competitive, so they had to start doing what other people was doing. You know, the other guys were offering game sheets and SupaColor wasn't. But hey, if you don't keep up, you get left behind. Okay, it's got like a instruction sheet. You know, about the product, how to order, you know, which transfer you need, a lot of information here. Oh, it's got 30% off promo code. Okay, I guess if you use that promo code on SupaColor, you get 30% off. Alright, and these are their samples. Now, out of all the samples that I got, other than the envelope I got the other day, let's see, can I find this over here in my sample pile. Yeah, these guys here. Other than these guys here, I think SupaColor has the smallest sample pack. Just put these to the side. Okay, let's see what SupaColor got us. Well, let me see, check SupaColor out. You know, just simple packaging, nothing special. All right. What is this here? Okay. Viva la SupaColor. See that right here. All right, they got a spaceman. Mission, super fast, super clean. We help you make it. And SupaColor streetwear. Okay, cool. You know, I was in a fabric store today, and I did not get any fabric because I was looking for something else. But I was right there with all the fabric. I should have got fabric. My bad. Okay, they gave us 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 transfers. I can imagine SupaColor selling so many transfers. They can't really give you too many because they'll be just printing free samples. So that's why you can't get, probably don't get 4 from these guys. But yeah, these are DTF also. SupaColor's DTF also. And you know, SupaColor's a player on the market. And I've used SupaColor before. So far as, you know, print quality, the vibrance of the color, there isn't much difference between the DTF transfers that I got. So like I said, I'll be pressing each one of these on shirts, and we'll be doing some videos, and we'll do some tests. But yeah, these is the SupaColor transfers. They sent four samples. So I'll put these back in the SupaColor package and seal that up. So we got our SupaColor. We got our more trans. Got our more trans here. I'm not going to show you the front of it because it's got my mailing information on it. And we got 316. Now this right here are screen printed transfers in this big package here, but we'll do those also. So we got 316 original, and these are 316 original DTF transfers. And where's my Ninja? And these are my Ninjas here. And these are the Ninjas. So I got like, I think of 4 different transfers I'm going to be testing. So yeah, we'll do that next. I don't think I'm going to, I might order a few more free ones. See what else is out there. But I'm going to go ahead and press these. And we'll do some tests and see what happens. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I am out.